Die Stellenberg meisieskoor, wat onlangs met topere van die internasionale koorspele in die VSA teruggekeer het vir die Wes-Kaapse minister van onderwys, meneer Donald Grant, gou gewys presies hoe hulle te werk gaan wanneer dit kom by sing.
You've brought that gold medal home because it's obvious to me, looking at your choir, that you love what you do and you're doing what you love. So, on behalf of our government in the Western Cape and the Education Department, my privilege to have been here with you this morning. It's onward and upward from here. You are creating a fine tradition at the school, and it's up to those who come behind you to make sure that you maintain and improve the standards going forward. Thank you so much.
Die minister was so te sê stom geslaan, en die jong dames het bewys dat hulle hul plek op die punteleer definitief verdien het.